We are super excited. Today is 2022 third annual beach bonfire for all of our clients and all those amazing families we get to serve throughout the years. And we invite them out for a beach bonfire. Bearded Chef is here doing all the catering and really excited for a good night. So let's go check it out.
What's up, guys? This is the Bearded Chef.
How you doing, guys?
At the beach, cooking some banging food with Keller Williams.
Wrapping up a fantastic night with all of our past clients. We just want to say thank you to all of them, because without them this is not possible. It was a fantastic bonfire. We had Bearded Chef, s'mores, always a big hit. Looking forward to seeing you next year at Beach Bonfire, 4th annual.